Hi there. In this video, I will be talking about ordinary annuity and how to calculate it. So ordinary annuity means that you are going to receive some cash flows in the end of every period, and you will calculate the future values of those uh, equal cash flows paid at the end of each period. To give an example, let's think that you are retired and you will receive $20,000 at the end of every year for 10 years from now on. You would like to understand what is going to be the future value of your money flows at the end of 10 years. And let's assume the yearly interest rate is 5%. So this example is the ordinary is in line with the ordinary annuity, and which was a series of regular payments made at the end of each period. So looking at this timeline, let's think that you are now at point zero at the beginning of, let's say, 2023, but at the end of 2023, on 31st December 2023, you will receive $20,000. So since your time frame is 10 years, this means that you will secure in the formula the first cash flow made at the end of 2023 for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 years. Let's think that at the second point, this is going to be the 31st of December 2024, at the end of the final day of 2024, you will receive an equal cash flow, which is $20,000, and then you will secure in the formula this money by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 years. So in the for the future value discount rate, so using that that future value factor, you need to take the 8th power of that future value factor. And let's think about the third point. So this is the last day of 2025, which is going to be 31st of December 2025. You need to use 7 to take the power of this discount factor, and discount factor is, as you know, in the parentheses 1 plus r. So it goes on, and after that, in the last point, and it is going to be at the end of 2032, you will receive $20,000 at the final day of 2032, and it is 31st of December 2032. And since there will no years remaining for your cash flow receiving process, you need to take the zeroth power of this future value factor. So let me walk you through on the calculation. To do that, I will actually use the first formula you have seen here, and I will be deducting it to the second and finally the third formula. Let's start with the first one. So you have your feature value. Okay, you have your feature value for 10 years, and here 10 is standing for N, and you have $20,000, and this is the first payment you have received at the end of 2023, and here the feature value factor 1 plus 0.05 as the 5% interest rate, and you will take 10 minus 1 as the power, and plus at the end of second year you will receive another $2,000. Again, your feature value factor is 0.05, and now you will subtract 2 from 10, and it will go on, and at the end of the final year, which was 2032, you will receive another $20,000, and your future value factor is 1 plus 0.05, and this time you will take the zeroth power of this future value factor. Let's take use 20,000 and take the parenthesis of the entire equation of the $20,000, and this means that you have the distribution speciality of the multiplication operation. And what does it mean? You have 20,000 here, 20,000 here, and 20,000 here, so you can take the entire value of the 20,000 parentheses, and in that sense these become 1.05 ninth power plus 1.05 the eighth power of that plus 1.05 seventh factor, and it goes on, and at the end of the formula you have 1.05, take the zeroth factor of it, and you have seen that, and using some of the speciality of using some of the specialities of mathematics, this formula here boils down to this formula here. So let's use this formula to calculate the result. So it is FV10 equal to $20,000, and in the parentheses we will use this future value factor 1 plus 0.05, take the 10th power of it as the formula suggests, and just subtract 1 from that value and divide the entire denominator into to R, and in our case R is 0.05. Close the parenthesis, and this one is equal to $20,000, and you have this value equals to 1.62889 minus 1 divided by 0.05, and again $20,000 multiplied by, so here what you get is 12.5778, and which equals 251,556,000. So this means that at the end of 10 years, your money will equal at $251,556. I hope this example helps, and I will see you in another video. And please do not forget to visit my internet site. You can see the link below in the description. Thanks a lot, and see you in another video. Bye.